Hello friends, welcome to Suresh Aggarwal's Mathematics Shortcuts. Your one stop for learning all the mathematics short tricks which make you smarter and enable you to calculate 10 times faster. And when I say 10 times faster, I do mean it because I'll prove it in this video that there are some short tricks which make you smarter and help you crack all those competitive exams, whether you are at school level preparing for IMO, SOF or even RIMC and then Aryabhat Ganit challenge, so many Olympiads at school level, or you are trying to get into some good university through entrance exams or placement exams at professional level, SSC, CGL, railways, banking, LIC, CAT, MAT and whatnot. Quantitative aptitude is everywhere, and that is why these tricks are so important. They make you smarter, they help you save time. So what am I going to do in this video today? Let us see how we can learn a short trick for 2-digit and 3-digit numbers squaring, and that too using the trick which you have never seen before, and I'm sure this will not be found anywhere in any book except one book. So I'll tell you what is that book, and for 10x faster calculations you need to have a combo of that book. Look at this. We have the short tricks books ready for you, the ultimate guide to speed maths volume 1 and volume 2, especially important for all those who love mathematics and who would like to upskill themselves. The two volumes contain around 350 short tricks, 28 different chapters covered through short tricks, and what more, you have 3700 practice questions, video links for ready reference in volume 1, and this ultimate guide to speed maths is going to make you fulfill all your dreams of getting into good universities and good placement jobs. So what are you waiting for? Let me show you a sample of this. Here we are. Look at these two books. This is volume 1 and this is volume 2, and I'll show you some specific features of this volume 1. So when you open this, you have lots and lots of these QR codes, wherein if you don't understand some trick, you can just scan this and watch the video which plays. Apart from that, we have given challenge zones. So for every trick you have these challenge zones. So practice the trick, watch the video and do all these questions yourself using the short trick. And the answer key obviously is given at the back for ready reference. And this is volume 2 having 14 more chapters. What are you waiting for? Summer vacation are coming up. Get yourself this amazing combo. How do you get it? I didn't tell you that, right? This is my WhatsApp number 9896369963. You can ping me on WhatsApp for direct purchase, or if you want to avail the Amazon services, we are listed on Amazon also. The Amazon link for these books are given in the description of this video. Just click the link, order it, and the two volumes will be delivered on your doorsteps. So friends, let's get on with the video and learn the skill of squaring the numbers. Now I'll start with 2-digit numbers first. Now when you are good in 2-digit squaring, you are good in 3-digit squaring also, and for that matter 4-digit squaring also. All depends on how much you practice, all depends on how many hours you put in, how much sweat is coming out of your body when you are practicing. That's what is good mathematics all about. Practice and practice. Look at this. Suppose I have to do 47 square. Now no traditional multiplication, just smart work. 4 square is 16, 7 square is 49, 4 sevens are 28, double of 28 is 56. Write it below like this, leave one digit from here. 9, 6 plus 4, 10, 0, 1 carry, then we have 12, 2, 1 carry, and then we have 2. There we go. 47 square is 2209. So can you develop that skill of finding the square of a 2-digit number in 7 to 8 seconds? Let me show you some more examples. Suppose we have 83 square. Now we have a small twist here. 8 square is 64, but 3 square is 9, which is a single digit number. When you get a single digit number here, write 09, okay? Don't forget the 0. Now 8 3s are 24, double is 48. Write it here like this, leaving one digit, and just add vertically. You will have the magic on your screen. 6889 is the square of 83. Can we do one more? Let's take a number in 60s maybe. How about 64 square? So 6 square 36, 4 square 16, 6 4s are 24, double 48, and 6904. There we go. 4096 is the square of 64. Now once you have learned this skill, the 3-digit squaring is not at all difficult. So I am getting into some serious things now. Okay, watch, and then practice. Right. So let's get on with the 3-digit numbers. So first of all, I'll take an easy example where I am going to do the square of 123 using the squaring of 2-digit numbers. Watch. Let us keep the last 2 digits separate and first digit separate. Here you have 1, so just do 1 times. I am writing 1 times because I am going to extrapolate it for numbers up to 999. Okay, so 1 times, take the total number 123, add the last 2 digits 23 to this. So what are you going to get here? 1 times 146, so that's practically 146 only, right? Now the 2-digit number here 23, I need to find the square of 23, and for that I already told you the method. 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9, so write 09, 3 2s are 6, double is 12, you get 529 as the square. Write the 529 here. Now 146 was the first number, 529 was the second number. Retain the 2 digits from the right hand side, carry forward this here. 146 plus 5 is 151, and now pick up the calculators and check your answer, friends. 123 square is 15129, and the answer is not going to be incorrect. Okay, the beauty of mathematics, you keep on exploring good things, you keep on skipping the steps, and suddenly you realize you have become smarter with numbers. And let's have one more question so that you feel comfortable with the method first. 218 square. See, I am taking random numbers, no preparation, nothing, and still it's working out well. So 218, 2 times 218 plus 18 is 2 times 236, which is 472. And now I need to do 18 square. I remember that 324, but if you don't, 2-digit squaring can help you, right? So 472 first number, 324 second number. Retain the 2 digits 24, carry forward the 3 here. 472 becomes 475, and now again once more pick up the calculators and check my answer. 47524 is the square of 218, and all these are actually in the volume 1. If I pick up the volume 1 and open the chapter number, this is square and squaring, right? We have chapter number 4 at page 50. So if I open the page 50 here, you will find all these tricks here. See, squaring, squares, cubing and cube roots, everything in one chapter. Look at the number of videos we have. 1, 2, 3 in the same chapter. Here 1, 2, 3, another one. And then 1, 2, 3, another one. See the number of videos. For everything we have videos, the challenge zones, unlimited questions to practice. Okay, let's not deviate from the topic. Okay, let's have one more question to practice. I'll go for a big number now. 357 square. Can you challenge yourself now? I think you got hold of the method, right? So 3 times, we have a 57. So 357 plus 57 is 3 times 414, right? And this is going to be 3 4 the 12 to 1 carry 42 and then 12. 1242, that is the first number which I was looking for. And after that we have the square of 57 to be done. And 57 square, oh, I know the method. 5 square 25, 7 square 49. 7 5s are 35, double 70, and add vertically you get 3249, right? The square is 3249. So what do we do with these two numbers? 1242 was the first number and 3249 is the second number. Retain the last 2 digits 49, carry forward the 32 here, you get 4, 7, 2, 1. Oh, 1, 2, 7, 4, 4, 9. You know what, friends? It gives you so much of pleasure when you start getting the correct answer in the first attempt, saving a lot of time, and that's where the maths becomes beautiful for you. I'll take one or two more examples and then we are going to conclude with the mission, with the ambition that we are going to work it out. And 999 square, that is the target. We should be able to do all the squares up to 999 at least after watching the video. Okay, right, let's have the square of 572. So first thing I will do is 72 square. Now for 72 square, 7 square 49, 2 square 4 means 0, 4, 14 double 28. So this is 4815, 5184, and 5 times 572 plus 72 is 5 times, this is 644. This is 5 4s are 20, 0, 2, 22, 2, 2, 6 5 are 30, 32, right? So we have the numbers 3220 and then the square is 5184 and this will give me my answer 84 at the end. 51 gets carried forward, so 1723 327184. Please pick up the calculators. Let me know, am I getting it right? Okay, so I think I need to give you some DIYs so you can check whether you have understood this or not. In the first attempt, you will be doing 39 square using the 2-digit approach. Another one, say 72 square. Then 2 questions of 3-digit numbers. Okay, one of them will start with 4. So 453 square. And finally, you will be telling me 800. This is the big one. Okay, 826 square. Now these are the 4 questions you have to do and you have to let me know whether this trick is working for you or not. So friends, if you like this video, do share it with all your friends so that they can also enjoy the beauty of mathematics. And I told you the amazing thing, get the complete speed maths guides at your doorsteps. Click the links in the description here. The Amazon links are given, or my phone number 9896369963. That is the WhatsApp number on which you can send me a message if you want to clarify anything about the 2 speed maths books. So friends, thanks for watching this video. I hope it works for you. Do practice a lot and tell me in the comments below, did it work for you? All the best.